Have you ever looked at your lab results and seen AST elevated, ALT elevated, and immediately thought, something is wrong with my liver? Welcome to Workday Lessons. Today, let's talk about liver enzymes because this is one of the most misunderstood lab results in primary care. First, here's the important thing to know. Liver enzymes are not liver function. I know that sounds confusing, but stay with me. AST and ALT are enzymes that live inside liver cells. When liver cells become irritated or inflamed, those enzymes leak into the bloodstream. That's why they show up elevated on blood work. Think of it like a smoke alarm. The alarm tells you something may be happening, but it doesn't tell you exactly what's causing the smoke. Now, here's where people get worried. They see one mildly elevated liver enzyme and assume they have liver failure. That's usually not the case. In fact, many different things can cause elevated liver enzymes, including fatty liver, certain medications, alcohol, viral infections, obesity, diabetes, intense exercise, and sometimes temporary illnesses. That's why we don't make major conclusions from a single lab result. We look at the whole picture. Now let's talk about trends. One of the most important things we watch is whether numbers are improving, staying stable, or getting worse. A single snapshot only tells part of the story. That trend often tells us much more. Now, here's another question I get all the time. If my liver enzymes go back to normal, does that mean my fatty liver is gone? Not necessarily. Normal liver enzymes are reassuring, but they don't always tell us exactly how much fat is still in the liver. That's why your provider may sometimes order imaging studies or additional testing. Now, let's make this practical. Don't panic over one abnormal result, but don't ignore it either. Ask questions, understand the trend, and follow up when recommended. Now, here's the key point. Lab results are pieces of information. They are not the entire story. Your symptoms, history, physical exam, and other tests all matter too. Now, quick reality check. If you've been told your liver enzymes are elevated, the next step isn't fear. The next step is understanding why. And that's a conversation worth having with your healthcare provider. If you found this helpful, save it, share it, subscribe, and follow for more Workday lessons. Simple health, clear answers, so you can better understand what your lab results are actually telling you. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't just live, thrive.